Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to link PayPal to credit card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or of course go and download the application on the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see here, we have the home, we have send, wallet, activity, and help. We also have a send and request and other different options here, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and link PayPal to credit card. So first of all, what you need to do when you're on the home screen, you need to go to the upper tab here and select wallet. So the third option, not home, not send, but wallet out of all of these options. Here you have to, of course, before anything, link a credit card or bank account. So when you click here, you can link a credit card, keep your card info secure when shopping, link a bank account, withdraw funds and receive to your bank account. Of course, that's the first thing that you need to do. Then, when you link a debit card or credit card, follow the instructions to link your card. Of course, alternatively, you can link a card on PayPal app by tapping wallet, then plus beside the add banks and cards, then debit and credit cards. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.